Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can select multiple words in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you 2-3 methods that you can use as per requirement. You can select similar word or you can select multiple words. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how you can select multiple words. Okay, so just open your Word documents, and here first you need to select your word. Okay, now you need to hit the control key and hold it. Okay, you need to hit the control key and hold it. While holding, you need to select the another words like this. So it is allow you to select multiple words. Okay, after you select done, after your selection complete, now right click any words and you can cut this, copy this like this. Okay, it is cut, or you can simply copy this. Okay, and the another way you can highlight the similar word. Okay, go to the home. Here you need to select that replace options, or you can go to the find. Okay, just click the replace option. Okay, or you can use the shortcut key, which is control plus H. Okay, now you need to type this word which you want to highlight or select. So I just copy that word and paste here. Make sure there is no space and nothing. Okay, now here in the find options we need to go to this option which is reading highlights and click highlights all. Now you can find all your words. Okay, after that you can simply hit the control key, hold it and select your words. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, hit the control key, hold it and you can select that word. Okay, here you need to just double click on that word, so it will be select like this. So you maybe not miss any words after highlighting. Okay, after you select, just right click on it and you can cut it, copy it, delete it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.